Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Frostbyte, and what you see here is my typeset book. Now, as you see, I've got a couple pieces missing. I've got a bust quarter and a bust half that I'm looking for. So if you happen to come across one of those, reach out to me and let me know. And again, as I fill my book, I'm constantly looking for upgrades. Well, the other day I was in an auction and I was looking for this particular Benji. And unfortunately, I didn't win the bid. Now, I don't normally collect a lot of Benjis, but I wanted to upgrade this piece. And so it was okay. I lost the bid, not a big deal. I'll move on, find something else. Well, my buddy Poppy York said, I got something I'm going to send you, and sent me this coin. Now, this coin is fabulous. It's shiny, it's clean, it's beautiful. And the upgrade, I'm going to go ahead and throw this in here. Now, this other coin is nice. It's good looking. I'm going to save that. Maybe use it as a goss sometime down the road. But man, this coin, God, it's just such a good looking coin. It's clean. It's crisp. And if you look at that in relation to the Kennedy, now I'm going to be updating these other ones. I've got the Walker coming in from Durban, and then I'll be updating the 64. Again, the 64 isn't going to be hard to find, but still just need to update it anyway. But just an amazing set. And again, like I said, I'll probably give this away sometime down the road in an auction. Stay tuned. But Poppy York, thank you so much for that. I'm going to continue to update different coins as I come through here. One that I'm going to talk about tonight is going to be, I really want to get that cap bust, but I really want to just show you something else that Tiger sent me. Now, he sent me a really nice Standing Liberty, and I'll update that. But there are some other coins that are here. As a matter of fact, you know what? Why don't I just do that right now? Tiger Stacker sent me an absolutely gorgeous 1928 SLQ. And I've been keeping it because I've wanted to take pictures of this and another counterfeit coin. But I think it's time for me to go ahead and upgrade my typeset book. So let me open this real quick. I'm sorry, it's in a container that's sealed. So let me pull that out. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that other coin. Again, look at this one. The details on it are amazing. Really nice, probably XF, maybe AU, most likely XF condition. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw that piece right in here. Now, I'm telling you, the amount of detail that's on this particular coin is awesome. I mean, just look at it. When it goes in there, man, it just stands out so nice. I think the SLQs with detail is an amazing coin, but when they start to wear thin, they just kind of lose their appeal. So again, two replacements of two really cool coins. Thank you to Poppy York, and thank you to Tiger Stacker for that amazing gift. Again, you know, just such an amazing coin, such good people. Thank you so much for this piece, Poppy York. I really do appreciate you. And I'm just, man, ladies and gentlemen, take care of yourselves. This is Frostbyte. Be well, be blessed, and I will see you in the streams. Take care.